making me sad inga bari abateneneri babana aba either mbarenge sukuru gose bangete koigoro murangu ekiagara ki dom umurangu we dom gusi gukorusuko to the point that no ne dom captain either likonyara gukora ki koigora ndwa kaire na beto mwalimu in a very short time na school yaringe boarding dom captains bari koigwe training inkego yo kumanyana kiba koigoro umurangu na kiba go save bari bande na kiba kurutira umuntu umurangeti buri na match that one did not apply. I want to tell the nation yomogusinga a school where it failed face flat asogo konya abana baria goitereke tutokorokunga accident management chiri two management yeri sukuru area ebegeta abantu gosina maruba chire ko nyuma it over the past 1 year na roriro mukonyi bumuraibu ense gakwenda Nyeri kurwanie binywegwa. I don't know whether you have seen that.
Yes.
Is it that abantu bari na maruba chire konyu ebago siegera abana baenda kwega kibotuko? Those are the questions that we are supposed to ask ourselves. Two, abana aba karabago cha kuikiriki wango bakoi inkiko karare skuru ebwata abane kerake chingenchecho etwarete at this stage, at this age skuru ki ebwate bitanda biye chibawo bi skuru ki ebwate bitanda biye chibawo. Is it that the school wanted to sacrifice abana bali? You know, those are the questions someone moibori okawaida kera gwakiniro mwana omorari obuoge no kuoyo okini omwana ikekera asi baby PP2 no maitene chibazere ngo gwatumira then omwana oyo amanye gusirira PP2. Leave alone that omwana oyo oikire onguchara gukora matemwa yo mwerio okure. As a parent, what is that coming into your head? Now, disaster management ndubwate Kenya State Department yeyu tige igore chimba bachayo chesu school. Again they call training, again they nsho ndubwate fire extinguishers, again they rigerenga kyabari mbari bakobe kubape boarding masters. Their responsibility in such schools nerili, because it is something that we cannot avoid. Ndoko tika koira bana school, then it means to see a kichi boarding school chospi.